up on top of the car and flung it hard toward the sidewalk. I froze and couldn't believe such an angry response. I felt it was violence aimed at me in a very real way. I stayed silent and went to pick up the cups and lids. I went inside, undid the overnight bag, clothes and toiletries, took my laptop/cell phone, and left. I went to a nearby place to have breakfast. After a while, I sent him a WhatsApp describing what had happened from my perspective: pain, reaction, unwittingly soiling the car, shock, and asked if he could leave for a few days or if I could leave if he wished. At the time, I felt I needed space to process what had happened. He said he'd leave. I offered to speak before he left, and then we went back and talked. We both expressed our frustration at the time. It turns out he lost a bit of feeling in his hand/arm from the IV, and when he grabbed the coffee, he overreacted and flung it, not out of anger at me. Even as I felt things weren't resolved, I expressed my regret at asking him to leave, said it was a mistake, and asked him to stay. Several times, he decided to leave. I contacted him to try and explain again and told him to come back, but he told me he still would like a few days away. I know him and understand